This side dish can go with anything. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Italian roasted potatoes with a crispy exterior and a soft center. Ideal for busy dinner parties, these potatoes allow you to concentrate on your main course while they effortlessly roast to perfection in the oven. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the descriptions below. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Peel the potatoes and cut them into chunks. Add the peeled and sliced garlic cloves and the bay leaf to the pan. Drizzle them with a good amount of olive oil, coating them evenly right in the pan. This method helps in achieving those desired crispy edges. Place on top a sprig of rosemary and spread the potatoes in a single layer in the pan. Season with salt, tossing everything together to ensure the potatoes are uniformly seasoned with these fresh flavors. Bake the potatoes in the preheated oven for approximately 1 hour. After the initial hour, use a spatula to gently turn over the potatoes, ensuring they brown evenly on all sides. Continue baking until the potatoes have developed a crispy texture and a deep golden brown color, which may take an additional 40 to 45 minutes. Once ready, gently slide a spatula underneath the roasted potatoes to loosen and lift them from the pan, preserving their crispy exterior. I like to serve them with Italian sausages. Pierce them with a knife and bake into the hot oven for 30 minutes. I prefer not to cook the sausages with the potatoes to keep them nicely crisp. Whether it's a cozy family meal or a special occasion, these Italian roasted potatoes are sure to be a hit, bringing a touch of rustic homemade charm to your table. For a more sophisticated meal, you can serve them with sautéed wild mushrooms. For more easy dish recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I want all the roasted bits.